For some of us, our parents provided the pathway to the driver's seat and guided us as we learned to not run stop signs and turn at just the right time. For some of us, our parents were our vehicle senseis, but they probably didn't teach you everything. Here's a scenario. What do you do if you get a flat tire? Anyone? That's okay. If you don't know, we're here to teach you. Follow along with us at Toyota Clermont as we tell you how to change a tire. Changing a tire is one auto service that seems daunting, but it's really quite simple. The process is the same if you're changing your existing tire out for a full or spare tire, but a full tire requires a little more technical services, so you should leave that one to the experts. Step number 1, find a flat and level surface. Before you get started, you need to make sure you find the right area to do the replacement. This area needs to be flat and level so as to avoid any rolling during the change. You should also make sure you have the right equipment, including a jack, lug wrench, and a well-inflated spare or full-size tire. Make sure to turn on your emergency brake before getting started. Step number 2, jack it up. Jacking up your car is quite simple. Look at the undercarriage to find the jack point. It looks like a funny spot in your undercarriage and you can't miss it. Put the jack underneath that point and line them up. Then, using the lug wrench, raise the jack until your car and the tire you're trying to replace is in the air. Step number 3, remove the lug nuts. Next, use the lug wrench to remove the lug nuts on your old tire. Carefully remove the flat tire and replace it with the spare or full tire. Put the lug nuts back on and lower the jack until your car reaches the ground. Step number 4, get your tire replaced or repaired immediately. If you're driving on a spare, you need to make sure you seek repair for a full-size tire immediately, as the spare cannot support your car for very long. Even when using a full-size spare tire, you need to make sure it gets balanced by an auto service tech. That's all for replacing a tire. Any questions? Reach out to Toyota of Clermont with any questions at 352-404-7000.